What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send YouTube videos along with the invite link so you can start a chat on YouTube. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So YouTube launched this new feature which is video sharing and messaging on YouTube. This feature lets you share videos, shorts, and live streams and have conversation about them directly on YouTube. So to begin with, let's open your YouTube app. For example, you're watching a video. All you need to do is click on this share button. Then you'll see this new feature in here which says invite others to message. Now click this. You can use any ways to share the invite link, but for now, let's just use this send via email, for example. So this will be the content of that email with a link in it. Now, when the receiver accepted your invite, you can then start chatting on YouTube. And that's how you share a video with an invite link to start a chat on YouTube. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.